and I want to get my hair a bit lighter.
Okay. It's not a long time since you were
No.
here.
No.
But you have hairdressers love.
Yes.
And you love differences.
Yes. I don't really like to stick to anything for a long time.
No.
Especially.
Okay, Marjolein, may you turn so they can see your hair now? And the last time we did a video in a horror style.
Yes. Oh my god.
This was a nice experience for both of us.
Yes.
Okay, let's start on here. Hello friends on YouTube. I did her hair for about, I think a small month ago, a week or 4.
Yes.
We lighted up then a little bit because her hair was totally dark. But now we have all the natural shapes in it and all the natural colors. So I don't want to damage her hair because her hair was nasty feeling, very, very dry. And now she has lovely soft hair. I can go with my fingers through the hair without getting into knots. So I will light her hair up with an ultra cold highlighter. And I will nurse it certainly because I will also put a deep conditioner in. So I'll tell you in the video what we do. First I pin up her hair. Okay, then I put on, of course, the protection coloring. And what I already told you, I made her on conditioner and on Plex base color, because it's very important to hold the hair in a wonderful condition it is. I use from Infinity Colors an ultra cool highlighter. It's a 12771 and it's ultra cold. It's a bit grey, stony color. And there I put in, of course, a flex system and a deep conditioner. And that I will bring on my hair. Starting on the lines. Very cool.
Ik heb nog steeds krullen.
Ja, mooi hè?
Maar dan gaat het nog wel een beetje door elkaar heen.
Ja, die krullen inderdaad alle kanten. Talking about her hair shape, because she has curly hair, wavy hair. It's not really curly, but wavy. But it stucks into each other when you work on it. So that's the fun we have together. So do all her hair, and then I show you when I'm ready. Now I've got all this product on her hair. I always work very fast. I think it takes about 10 minutes at max for long hair. So I wait now for about 30 minutes. Then I put the product also on the skin. In the meantime, I let this develop. Magic happens. Do this without heat, so I just let it go. We're not in a hurry, it's Sunday. About 3.
About 3.
Her boyfriend is waiting anxious.
No!
What it will be. He's shitting his pants.
No.
No?
No.
How do you know that? Are you home?
No.
No.
I don't know for sure. I'm hoping. He's not nervous.
I hope
It's
so
my
too.
hair.
No. You're alive.
But my life.
We'll be back. Okay, we waited a half hour. Now set in the rest of the color. So we'll open the plastic foil. Again, put of course on my protection. And this product you can leave on the hair for 45 minutes. So it would take the total time to let it develop. So the rest over of the product we set on the outgrown. Then I go back to the point where we started, take a clip to protect slipping from my plastic foil, split the hairs over the center, go in and do all the hair, of course. Still, there is no ammonia coming off of this product, so you don't smell anything of the process we are in. So I continue on this look and then close it up again, then wait for the other 20 minutes, rinse it out and then show you the end result. Okay, we rinsed out the collar. They are still in wonderful condition, there's no damage at all. And now it looks like the upper layers are a little bit more lighter of color, but it's not, because I controlled it when it was wet, but this dries very easy, so that's why the rest is still ultra wet. Yeah, it is. It's the swamp. Now she loves to go for the straight version, so I use a straight product in her hair, and it's also nice to see how the color is when it's dry. So from Keunen I use a straight product on her hair, brushes this through the hair, and with a large brush I'm going to dry her hair. Part her hair just below the skull bone. Start blow drying. Now she don't need a haircut, because the last time we did it was a TCC1 haircut, so her ends are totally sealed. You can find her in a small horror video we made. You can find it on my channel. Then you see me with a black hat on and the making of this video and how we did her hair after that. So I show you how good a hairstyle is after you just cut it up. Now so far blow drying. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to dry it with the iron. So I start the neckline building up. Mostly start the neckline. Use the iron of Keunen. Put it on 220 degrees Celsius. In one flow, gently going down. When you have curly hair and you put a little bit on the hair gets even straighter than normally.
Wanneer je wat doet? Oh, dat is
Als
cool.
je eraan trekt.
Oh ja, dan trek je dus
Ja, trek je het recht
zwaar, trek je gewicht of zo.
Ja.
Ook. Kijk.
Stijltangen vind ik altijd heel rustgevend om te doen.
Ja, ik ook. Daarom is het ook zo leuk.
Ja.
Het is echt van, En het geeft ook een heel mooi resultaat. Of zo.
Absoluut. En een heel lekker haar.
Ja.
Heel lekker zacht.
Maar dan vond ik het wel fijn, want ik ging al best wel lang met jullie naar de kapper. Dus 13 man of zo. Dus ik was van, ken ik jullie ook een beetje. Dus daarom dacht ik van, oké, dat ga ik ook wel. Dan voel je natuurlijk wel wat vertrouwder met deze video's.
Ja, dat is belangrijk.
en zo.
Ja, dat is belangrijk. Als je hier zit te zweten omdat je bang bent, dan is het ook niks. Voor zo'n horrorfilm is dat wel leuk.
Ik ook gewoon mensen die ik ken. Hoe kom je erbij?
Ja.
Ook bij mezelf soms. Hoe?
Wat
dacht ik op dat moment?
Yeah. No, careful. This iron shows the temperature, and it's also always, you know how warm it is because there's also a sensor on top. And there's a nice sound. Now this is still a good hairstyle and a good color and good everything. Everything. I need a polish. Now I don't need hairspray on this because I don't like it on this hair. I just need a polish. It nurses the hair, gives that wonderful feminine smell. Ruik je er ook nog iets van?
Een beetje.
She has a cold, so she don't smell it.
Heerlijk.
Thank her for being my model. Thank you for watching. Till next time.
Bye bye.
Jij mag nog een rondje draaien.
Oh,
She may still turn around. Wat anders, hè? Weer zo'n kleurtje.
Oh ja. Ja.
Marjolein, you may turn around to show the world how your color is now. Thank you for being my model.
Thank you for coming.
Till next time.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.
Unkind if you cross my line. I can be bitchy, I can be stubborn when it comes to being right, yeah. But I am sweet, I am kind if you treat me right. But on the other hand, I can be moody, I can be unkind if you cross my line. I can be bitchy, I can be stubborn when it comes to being right, yeah. But I won't let it escalate too far, I won't put up a fight, no. But don't you dare to dare me, oh yes, to dare me, yeah. kind if you treat me right. But on the other hand, I can be moody, I can be unkind if you cross my line. I can be bitchy, I can be stubborn when it comes to being right.